welcome back to the channel. So today, as always, I have my mom and we have little Bear here. And on today's episode, we are actually super excited to share this one with you guys. We are actually going to be making the Disneyland Mickey Mouse bulb wreaths. So we are really excited to get this one started, and we're going to show you along the way what we do and how we get there. So stay tuned and we'll walk you through. So first, you're going to need several supplies. Most of our supplies we picked up at the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So first, you're going to need the large circle wreath form from Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need the 2-pack of the smaller wreath size from Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1, which is perfect for making Mickey Mouse ears. Okay, so the next item you're going to need is some form of attachment to attach the smaller wreath forms to the larger wreath form. We have a wire pack that we purchased at Dollar Tree. You get 3 sets of these little packs of wires, a black one and 2 red. You can also use zip ties, or you can also use pipe cleaners, depending what is easier or most accessible to you. You're also going to need some form of a wire cutter, so we have this thing. And then the major thing you're going to need is bulbs. So we picked up our bulbs from Hobby Lobby. They have them for half off, I believe. So we got this whole stack, I think there's 50 in here for $10. And then we also grabbed some smaller bulbs. These are the My Little Christmas range. That's at Hobby Lobby. These are intended for the mini trees, but this is perfect to use as filler as well as to use as a base for the ears. So we picked up a pack of white and then a pack of red. And the last thing you're gonna need is a bunch of hot glue. So we have a bunch of hot glue sticks and our glue guns ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Okay, now we're gonna go put our Mickey ears on. And the wires we are going to cut 1 1/2. And then we're gonna use this to cut it. And then we're going to put it on this piece. And put it underneath. You see the line there? And here. And this is where we're gonna put the wire in between
the two.
Yeah. I
So
can't do it here.
You should end up with, you want to at least tighten it to 3 points on there, if not more, just to make sure that it's secure. So we're going to go ahead and get these attached, and then we'll be right back. Assembled. So once you have your ears connected to the main piece, you should have something that looks like this. So we have this connected at 3 points.
There you go.
3 points, and then I know it's kind of hard to see.
This is where you tie from here and there and the wires.
Yeah. But you want to at least connect it on 3 points just to make sure that it is secure and it's not going to fall off on you. So we have our ears attached. Now we are going to go ahead and assemble the first
bulbs on now.
The first layer of bulbs. So in order to do this, you're going to want to layer them in 1 layer on the outside of your ears, and then on the inside as 1 layer, and you're going to glue the tops of the bulbs to your wire frame. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we will be right back. We are officially done with this week's craft. This took several trips to the craft store because we ran out of bulbs, but we finally got it completed. And we're pretty happy with how these turned out. They are very large compared to what we initially thought they were going to end up as. And we're just going to show you one of them right now because they are so big, but this is basically what we ended up with. And it looks like a mass of balls on camera. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining us this week on Craft with Us. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on our next upload. And we will see you guys next week. Bye! What are those things called? The fuzzy ones?
Fuzzy one?
The fuzzy sticks that we were trying to find that we could never find in black.
Or wire,
Vacuum cleaner?
huh?
Pipe cleaners.
Yeah. Opening a present. I don't know if that was now. This is really childproof. I can't get it open. Maybe it's this side. The other side. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm excited.
We'll use...
Okay.
Are you done now?
Yeah, I'm done.
You got all the itches? Thumbs up? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
What is that?
Thumbs up. There you go, Bear. Now you gotta look at the camera. You gotta say hi, everybody.
Tingly